Case Flyback, the Open Racing, Spiker, Speed of the Wind, Delgado now on the outside, Paragood Soder, while Acuris is running in the tail of the field. Out of straight they travel, Speed of the Wind being joined by Delgado. Alain Kaniap now, Paragood Soder, Spiker, and Acuris. Into the back they travel, Speed of the Wind leads Balang, followed by Delgado in second. Alain Kaniap, Paragood Soder, two lengths back, Acuris and Spiker. And into the back they travel, still Speed of the Wind, leading by Falang, being joined by Delgado. And coming closer now in third, Paragood Soder, two lengths back to Acuris and Spiker. And midway down the back stretch, or at the fourth turn, still Speed of the Wind. Speed of the Wind, leading by Palanca. And moving up on the outside is Delgado, Paragood Soder, and Spiker coming close now in fourth. Towards the final third, it's now Delgado, Paragood Soder, Spiker. But still Delgado leading the pack, Paragood Soder, and Spiker. Moving up by the wheel, Delgado, Paragood Soder, and Spiker. It's Paragood Soder, Spiker, Delgado, Spiker, Paragood Soder, Spiker. And finally, Spiker. Paragood Soder, Delgado, Acuris, and Speed of the Wind.
254 ang ating datingan. Dehado kagad po ito. Spiker. Wow. 40,000 lang ang binenta.